Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and now it's time to announce the winners of MD107. You all love this watch face, and for those of you all who are wondering when we're going to announce the winners for MD108, it's going to be announced on Wednesday, so look out for that. But right now it's all about MD107. And first off, let's thank Matty Odini for the donation of these watch faces. Show him some love. This guy has been very supportive of the channel, and he's been very nice to share these watch faces with you all. So make sure you show him some love in the description box down below. And for the new people who may not know, the way that you get the watch faces is you got to hit me in my email, and I normally put it at the bottom of the screen at some point during the video, and you also will see it in the description box. Email me, and try to email me as soon as you can, because I try to send it to the developer at one time if possible, if not twice, so he don't have to go back and forth 3 and 4 times trying to get your watch face codes. Cool? All right. With that being said, you gotta check out the giveaway. If you see anything about a giveaway winner, you gotta check out the video because you may have been called. You don't want to miss out. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get started. Let's call out the winners. Winner number 1 is going to be Quasi. Now, Quasi, I don't want to chop up your last name, but congratulations. Your name is across the screen. You know who you are. I don't know if you're new to the channel, but if you are, welcome. This is your home. Winner number 2 is Philly Jazz Jeff. Long time no see, long time no hear. Congratulations to you. You have won MD107. And number 3 is going to be Prin. I think I pronounced that right. Prin Jess, congratulations. And also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Listen, you're at home, you have any questions, talk to your new family members and family. Welcome to new people if they are new. I'm not sure or not. Number 4 is going to be Leonard Dukes. Leonard, congratulations. You won MD107. And we have number 5, Darren Pittman. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you for your participation on the channel. Thank you more than anything for the support and love. And if you didn't get your name called, trust me, there's more giveaways to come. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for staying. Thank you for supporting the channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.